all hands on deck. It's a software solution for the busiest of students. No more worries. This is what it looks like. This is the beginning of the app. It's supposed to be a mobile app, but due to my hardware, I wasn't able to run the Android emulator. So I'm showing it to you. I'm demoing on the web version. This is React Native, so Expo Web. Let me first tell you why I created this. So this is essentially due to the pandemic. Everything is online, and looking at the screen 24/7, it can be very taxing on the eyes and on the brain. It's easy to get brain fog and miss deadlines because of it. So I've devised a solution. Worry less. Why don't you have an app deal with all the stress of planning and keeping track of your deadlines so that you have more time to do the things that you actually want to do, like studying, like going out with friends, eating, relaxing. How to use this. You're gonna take a photo of your syllabus for each class, and you're gonna upload it to the app. Once you upload it, it's a very easy process. You click upload. You can get it from your desktop. This is the desktop version, or it'll ask you on Google or iPhone have access to your photos. Then, in order to make the app more intelligent, I included extra information, such as when a person wants to sleep, when they want to exercise, for how long they want to do it, for how long they want to spend time with their friends and family, how long they want to eat in a day. Finally, the app itself will generate a schedule, and it will generate it and link it to Google Calendar using the Google Calendar API. And ideally, it's going to alert you whenever you need to study, have a break, you have to exercise, you have to eat lunch, you have to sleep, you got to study. You don't need to worry about your agenda. Where's my agenda? You don't need to worry about that anymore. You have your phone with you at all times. You'll get a notification, eat now. Get a notification, start studying. That's all you have to rely on. And it's so much easier. React Native and Expo is the technologies I use to create the front-end design. So let me show you that. So this is the front-end design. It has an email form, so the user can log in. This is my email. And they can put in the password. This is my password. And this forgot password sign up, user authentication, and you log in. Next, you upload. It's a stack system for the mobile. So first you import the syllabus, you import it, and you get it from your directory syllabus, and you open it. And I'm only showing it for one PDF right now due to time constraint, but ideally it would iterate for 5, 6, or how many ever classes you have. Second, upload to extracted due dates. Now, user doesn't do anything, it's just a button. It's actually connecting to the database. Let me show you that. This is the database. When I click that upload, it actually created this. It parsed out the PDF. It parsed it out. Ideally, it would be in a parser function. Due to time constraint, I wasn't able to implement that. But so I created a model data of what the parser would create. This is the information it would come out with. And then I used JavaScript to I can show you on here. I have the upload file and I'm using FireBase, Google Cloud FireBase, and I'm writing this data, this model data, and I'm modeling it and I'm sending it over to FireBase. That's what you saw here, right here. So that's that. That's for one user. Okay. Let me go back to the slide. And yeah, after that, the user clicks next. Fill in exactly what it's saying. Every day I need, and then it gives you a prompt. The number of hours I need is, so I'll say 8. Exercise, 1. Time for friends, 2. And lunch, dinner, snacks, 3. Okay, so this is the actual form, and it's actually taking it, it's using React state, and it's actually sending it over to the FireBase again, using a similar function as the upload. So when I press generate calendar, it's sending this information over to the database. So I'll show you 8123, that would have been sent over, 8123, socialization, sleep, food. So it got added to this database. It was written to the database, the same function. And this will be used. If I had more time, I would devise an algorithm that can now order this according to time. And I'm going to be using Google Calendar API so that I can create events and create the Google Calendar. And then the user can look at Google Calendar. And also they can get notifications. Let me show you. So I would click View Calendar, and then it would take them to Google Calendar. So I didn't have enough time to implement all of this. And yeah, and you can go back as well. So this is the all hands on deck. It's registered on domain.com, all hands on deck.tech. Let me just finish up real fast. So yeah, it was made on this, and I went through this already. There's just more slides that you could read, but it's the same thing I said. This is again the function that I showed you, and some of the challenges I went through is, as I said, I wanted to use an Android emulator or iPhone, but my computer couldn't handle the load of an emulator, so I had to switch to Expo Web. Second, it was my first time using Google Cloud FireBase and the API for calendar, and I really liked it. It was so easy to use, and I was able to find the documentation really quickly. It took me some time because it was my first time, but I can see that it is easy to use. And I just want to thank you all so much. I couldn't have done any of this without you. So thank you so much for listening.